Hi guys, in this video I show you the current state of development of my add-on Carve, and I give you some tips about Python programming for Blender add-ons. First of all, the new features that are added recently. I split the functionality into two panels, one for Boolean operations and one for bevels and sharp edges. The bevels now refer to the selected objects. This means also a list of them. If no object is selected, the button will be grayed out. For selecting the target object, you can now also use an eyedropper to select objects directly from the scene. Besides difference and union, I added the operation slice. It is a combination of difference and intersect. So the result is a cut into the target object and the creation of a new one. After the slice operation, you won't see the effect because there's no bevel defined for the target object. But here you can see how useful the new feature can be to add bevels and sharp edges to the selected objects. Okay, so let's have a look at the corresponding lines in the code. I didn't use the string property for the target object anymore, but a pointer property instead. Because of this, you get the eyedropper by using prop search for the pointer property in the panel. Very useful. Before Blender 2.79, you had to program the eyedropper manually as an operator. For the bevels, there is now, as already mentioned, an own panel class. It contains just one row in the layout with the bevel operator. For this operator, I used the class method poll to check if objects are selected. If this is not the case, false is returned and the button for the operator is grayed out. The add-on is available for free download from my GitHub. I added the link to the description below. Alright guys, I hope you liked this add-on, and if you have any ideas for new features or changes or whatever, please add them to the comments. If you like my channel, then please don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, thanks for your support, and see you soon.